Draw your thoughts. Before we invented language, we communicated and through in images. But for many centuries, words have been our primary way to communicate. And that's why we also think in words. When I think, I talk to myself. And when I take notes, I also talk to myself. Create a chapter about drawing your thoughts is what I wrote in my notebook when I came up with the idea for this chapter. One of the best known thinkers of all time, Leonardo da Vinci, thought visually. How do I know this? I took a look at his notebooks, which you can easily find if you Google them. Here's an example. Now, we don't have to become this great at drawing, but I think we can still learn something. Drawing frees your mind from the constant verbalization. I started drawing the images for my blog post over a year ago. My drawing skill haven't improved, but my article have. And one of the reason is that I take time to think about how I can visually share my idea. I want readers to immediately get what I'm trying to share in the article by looking at my drawings. That's why I think a lot about visualizing an idea. Sometimes I draw a graph, sometimes I emphasize a sentence or word, and I even make simple cartoons. After I make the drawing, I often edit my article to make my idea clearer. And some article even start with a drawing. This book also started with a drawing. It's a drawing I used in the From Chaos to Clarity chapter. I made that drawing without a purpose. I was just visualizing some of my idea. One of my idea is that is used to be chaos in my mind until I found a way to overcome it. As a result, I think clearly. That's the whole drawing, and now it's a book.